Hey everybody, and welcome to my kitchen. Do you want to learn how to make the creamiest mashed potatoes you've ever had? Let's get started. Making mashed potatoes using a starchier potato will make them fluffier. For this reason, we are going to be using Yukon Gold potatoes. The flavor of this potato is slightly buttery, which is why it works so well in mashed potatoes. To make the cleanup easier, place some plastic wrap down on your work surface. Peel 4 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes and place them in a bowl of cold water. This will prevent the potatoes from turning brown while you peel all of the potatoes. When you're done peeling, wrap up the plastic and throw it away. Easy cleanup. Dice up each potato into 1-inch cubes and place in a pot of cold water. Cutting up the potatoes will help them cook faster and more uniform. Bring the potatoes to a boil over high heat. Make sure to add some salt to the water. This is the first step in adding flavor to the potatoes. Soft boil the potatoes for about 12 minutes or until they are fork tender. When the potatoes are soft, drain the water and return the potatoes back to the pot. Cook off any extra water that is on the potatoes, about 2 minutes. We want them to be really dry. Now, here is the trick to getting them to be extra smooth and creamy. Place a fine mesh sieve over a bowl or pot. Press the potatoes through the sieve using the back of a spoon. This is going to take some time, but trust me, it's worth it. For the potatoes, use 1 cup of heavy cream. Heat the cream in a small pot over medium heat. If you want to infuse the cream, place in some of your favorite herbs and crushed up garlic. Bring the cream to a boil and then strain the cream through a sieve. If you don't want the added love of flavors, just heat the cream by itself. Add 1 cube of melted butter to the potatoes and mix well until the butter is all incorporated. This will help keep the potatoes firm before we soften them with the cream. Don't mix the butter and cream at the same time. This will make a soupy mess. In the comments below, tell me, what is your favorite meal that you eat potatoes with? Add in some salt, but not too much as we are trying to build the layers. Pour in some of the cream and mix well. Keep adding the cream and mixing it until it is all incorporated. Add more salt as needed. Now you have mastered the art of making the creamiest mashed potatoes. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so together we can strengthen our families through food. We will see you in the next video.